All right, Dr. Emer, we're alive.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer, and you guys unanimously that you keep asking me about threading, and so here we are today doing a MARICU facelift with threads, and you can see right here I'm placing those threads in, and look how much lifting we're getting on the skin. Need the anchor. Okay, we have threads now in the skin, you guys can see here. I'll let that hold. And we're gonna tie these threads. Now she has thinner skin, so you're gonna see a little bit of bunching immediately, but we're gonna get rid of that in a second. And how does it feel? Is it painful or no?
I feel very little.
Good. Okay. And so we're putting these are the MARICU threads. You guys can see, take a look at these anchors. They're pretty aggressive anchors. You guys can see right here how thick they are. These are really gonna grab onto the skin and pull it. See what I mean? See how much it's pulling? And so we're tying those down to the fascia, really tightening everything. Scissor? I need a big scissor, not a little baby one. No, stay in here. Okay, and then what we do is we're massage it out just a little bit and get it to soften slightly. And you guys can see already, look at the more contour and look at the lift. We're gonna do a little on the neck. Now I haven't decided yet length. Go ahead and give me a short one first. Can you organize this, please? Turn a little bit more. We're gonna do a little bit on the neck first. I'm gonna start back here. And we'll go to the lower face in a second. And we'll see, I may need a little bit longer. Go ahead and grab that. And our goal for our patient is just to get more skin tightening. And you guys can see on the neck area, we have to go really superficial.
Someone's asking, can you do this on my butt and how much will it be?
You can, but honestly, it doesn't really hold well. You guys see, look at that tightening already.
Guys, check that out. And you guys, we do have tons of different techniques we use for the buttock that don't involve threads that will give you nice non-surgical buttock augmentation, cellulite reduction. Guys, send us a DM, full name, email, phone number. We're going to reach out to you.
Sorry, you're gonna feel me pressing a little here. Sometimes it's got to go through the muscle. There we go. Okay. And you see, look how much we pulled. Now we want a little bunching here on the neck, okay? That's important. Otherwise, we won't need only when we have 3. Otherwise, it won't really secure as much. The bunching will go down. You can see how much it's pulling.
So what's the, how much will it be for a facelift, guys? Send us a DM, full name, email, phone number. People ask about Costa Rica. No, guys, we don't go there yet. You guys can come see us in Florida. We do go there often.
Then I'm gonna do, we just did mid-face and jowl. I'm gonna see if adding a little additional one on the jawline, lower jawline, helps give us a little anchor on her lower face. Hold on. We gotta prepare before you do that. Okay. And so this will help give us a little bit more sort of anchor on her jawline. More. And you guys can see.
Someone said, I'm looking for a lift for my butt, guys. We do that. Guys, come see us. Send us a DM. Full name, email, phone number. We'd love to reach out to you. How long will they last, Dr. Emer? How long are these going to last her?
These will last about a year. And we'll continue to tighten over the time. These are going to build collagen and really help to lift this lower face. Look, you guys can see how much it's lifting. I'm doing it right at the edge of the jaw. We could go a little bit further back, but I really want her jowl to improve. So I need the smaller ones, not the longer ones.
Okay.
Massage them a little bit. Good. And that will help give her a little more definition at the ankle. Now that side's done, so you guys can take a look. Look at the difference in, so the wrinkling here, look at the difference in the angle, and look at her neck here. It's
Jawline
pulled
much tighter,
much
folds
tighter,
are softened.
and everything's lifted. You can see the distance of the cheek distance as well. So that's fine. Leave it there. Leave it there. Okay, short ones right here. Right here. Okay, go ahead, grab that. So now we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna do a full lifting.
Dr.
So-
Emer, at what age is this recommended?
There's really not an age limit, you guys. This is more of when do you feel you wanna be either preventative or when do you wanna get an active treatment so that you don't have to do a facelift, right? We often will combine this with fillers, with other treatments like our Pixelate skin tightening.
And guys, we even have special threads here that we can put filler in, which we do on the brow, and they create great lifting. We have some before and after we posted before. We have another great
See?
one coming up.
Our mesh threads.
They're very cool. We're the first one to do those on live.
And you guys can see, look at the lifting effect. And the goal is to get it to anchor right now, but build collagen over the next sort of 3 to 6 months. So I always tell people, even at 6 weeks, they look better.
People want to know what would the cost be, guys. Send us a DM, full name, email, phone number. It's going to depend on how many threads you need for yourself. After getting threads, can you still do RF microneedling after? Yes, guys, that does help, guys. That's going to help increase the tightening of your skin. We love doing that. We have several devices.
And we're
Does this-
doing a trifecta approach, so we're doing it in multiple areas.
Someone's asking, does this hurt? Can you tell us
How
how
does
you...
it feel?
Very minimal. Doesn't hurt at all.
Hold on, give me-
Just some pressure. That's
on.
about it.
Give me that one again. Give me the scissor. Give me another one. Get another one. I need the needle. Just a little bit of pressure, no pain.
Yeah.
Good.
Mm-mm.
Perfect. Hold on. Good. Okay. Go ahead and take that. Amanda. Sorry, you guys, a little scar tissue here or something. There we go. Okay, much better.
Did you inject numbing before the threads?
Yes, you have to do that.
Yes.
Have to. Okay. Gotta do it. So now we have our threads holding basically the entire mid face. So we're gonna secure them in. And this is a tying technique. You guys can see, look how much it pulled. So
Dr.
that's just
Allen.
showing you without the release.
People are asking, Doctor, do you only perform Gladiator in LA or do you do it in Miami?
We do not do it in Florida yet.
Not yet, guys, but get on the list. We might do that soon.
So right now, yes, LA. And it's important for that treatment that you travel for the best.
We have our aftercare here, guys. We do an amazing job with that. We do our IV therapy, hyperbaric oxygen, and our lymphatic massage.
Scissor.
What is the difference between threads and neck lipo and platysmoplasty?
Well, that's surgery, you guys. This is non-surgery. This is using sutures.
And you can go out to dinner right after.
Exactly. And she's going to notice a little bit of bunching initially in some areas, especially when she smiles because she's got thinner skin.
How
That's
long?
normal.
How long do you have to wait until getting laser after this?
Try a little bit. You can do it immediately. You can do it today.
You can do it at the same time. Right after threads, we can give you laser. If you
Turn a little
already,
more to the right. Perfect.
if you
There we
already
go.
have Botox and do PDO threads, will it still work?
Yeah,
Can you
of
get-
course. This has nothing to do with that. So these are separate. These are just anchors, you guys. This is not Botox.
So what time do you close? So can I call to make an appointment, guys? Send us a DM, full name, email, and phone number. We'll reach out to you, guys. We'd love to talk to you.
And you guys see, this is what we call almost a mega lift. We're doing all the areas for her. Okay? But you can do all of those areas, no problem, in one day. It's very minimal pain. And you guys can see, look at how much it's pulling, and look at how much it's anchoring. She may have a little tenderness later tonight, but Dermabeam that you can get at MARICU scissor helps with the swelling, and then just relaxation. You can do masks, cooling masks. I tell people there's really very little you have to worry about. Now short. Okay.
What kind of threads are you using for this procedure, Dr. Emer? They're
So
asking
we
us.
are using the MARICU Elasti threads, you guys. I love these threads. We're doing a full face of MARICU. Take the needle. We're doing a full face of MARICU right now, just so we can show you guys what a MARICU lift will look like.
Someone's asking a very important question. They're asking, can I have wine after this?
Yeah, sure. Enjoy it. It's the wine before that's the problem. Long one. It's the wine before that's usually the issue.
What happens to the bunched up skin? How does it change?
Goes down, guys. It grabs onto the fascia, pulls up the skin, and will tighten over the next few weeks. You have to be okay with some of these procedures having a little bit of downtime, especially lasers. So I know a lot of people, I tell them the CO2 laser is a week of downtime. That's true, but there's also redness that occurs after a needle.
What's our pricing like, guys? Send us a DM, full name, email, phone number. We have lots of different threads here. Different ones are good for different candidates. Let's determine which one is the best one for your skin and for accomplishing your goals. Can you see the strings once they're in your face?
No, you cannot.
Guys, they're hidden.
Which
You
is
can
what
hardly
we
see them
like.
in her.
We don't want her to see them. Okay, so you guys can see we just secured her neck area and jawline, tying those in, and then we'll sit her up and take a look. Okay, lay on back. Let's take a look.
Wow.
Wow. Very nice. So take a look over here, you guys. There's little pinches right in here. That's good. That's what we want. What we could do is do a reverse thread and or some other things for underneath. But I think we got a nice result without having to have a lot of downtime. You can see there's a little bunching on this side. No big deal. That will go down. Don't do anything. Don't move or anything yet. I'm going to sit you up and then I'll let you look in the mirror. Just stay how you are. So right now we have 3, 4, 5, 7 anchoring threads. Oh, take a look. Take a look. He's got it standing there for you. We can lean forward just a little bit, and then tell me what you think.
Ooh, wow.
So the goal is to make you look like yourself, but tighter. So tighter on the jawline, lifted more under here,
Yeah,
and a lifted more here. The folds you'll notice will look better in a couple of days. Right now they're swelling from the lidocaine. But other than that, it's like almost nothing was done and you just look younger.
Wow.
We start doing tightening more with our pixels and with our other treatments. Oh, that looks really good. Turn to the side a little bit, show everyone. Yeah, and see, like I said, that little bit of bunching, that's gonna pull this up. So we don't wanna touch that, you wanna just leave it.
Okay.
And that's it, so lay back, let them pan, and you guys, that is a MARICU, relax your head, there you go.
MARICU
That's our
Megalift.
MARICU Megalift. I think she did great. What were you hoping to get?
Exactly that.
Beautiful.
Actually, not even that good.
Looks great.
Looks amazing.
Honestly, really, really good.
Wow.
Everyone says she looks great. They love how you look. Yeah, it looks phenomenal. And the goal is now this just slowly tightens and pulls it up more. This will lift more. Folds will improve, and now we have the extra on the jawline. It's great.
So how
What
many
we got?
weeks until the optimal results?
Probably 3 months is what I tell people. 3 months to seeing like the optimal 6 to 12 weeks as it builds collagen, but then after a year, even more. You know, you can replace it every 6 months to a year if you really wanted. You could add to it as needed, but other than that, it looks really good. You just let it build.
So right now I feel a little bit of tightness.
That's what we want.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to feel a little tight. I always tell people
Well,
go a
like
little easy for the next 3 or 4 days in terms of smiling, laughing, exercising. But you, within 24 to 48 hours, you can exercise and stuff. Here you go.
Wow.
Just let it relax, and I'll see you before.
All
you go.
right.
Thank you so
Bye,
All right, you
guys.
guys. Bye. That was our
Thank
MARICU lift.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So good.